Hi kids, welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. It's our 5th class of landscape today. We are doing typical village scenery, starting with the roof of the house. Some bushes around. One more small house. Now I'm double lining roof. I'm drawing a coconut tree. This is the easiest way for kids to draw coconut tree. Some more greenery around. And a small road which is coming from behind the houses. Starting sky in light blue. I'm drawing clouds with the same blue, as I did not want the black lines to form in the sky, so I'm using crayon here as a guideline and not sketch pen. I'm following sleeping line. Now I'm taking cerulean blue from the palette and outlining clouds. Once more, inner part I'm doing it in light blue. Now take white and start blending this blue down in circular motion. It's light violet. Now I'm blending full sky with white for smooth finish. Blend it well. This is grey violet in your palette. Now near the house, I'm giving diagonal stroke of this color, followed by pink. It's light pink from your palette. These two colors are blendable. I'm using white to mix these colors well. Just adding some design to the roof. I'm taking medium yellow and coating full roof in medium yellow. It's brown in your palette. Into small vertical lines, I'm covering the area that will have maximum shadow. Blending it again with yellow for smooth finish. Color looks slightly faded, so I'm adding more brown to the desired area. Second house in same color combination, yellow and brown. Blend it well. It's light green. Coat all branches in light green. In the outer corners, I added yellow. Again, in outer corners of these leaves, I'm adding yellow. This is sap green. Now the stroke goes from the center of the tree to out. For the depth, I am using deep green, just in the center. For the trunk, I am using yellow ochre first, followed by dark brown from the palette. For bushes, I am using cerulean blue. Followed by deep green. And lastly, light green. Check all corners well. Now I'm taking light pink for the ground, just to balance out the sky above. Now I'm adding orange. This is lemon yellow from the palette, followed by deep green. Blend it well. All the corners around the road, I'm adding some greenery. Sides of the road goes into orange, followed by same lemon yellow. Adding same light pink. This is dark brown. Adding grey for the shadow. Top it up with black. And blend it well. Adding some more black. Inside the door and windows, it's completely black. I'm adding some brown in the corners of the road, bushes, and blend it well. Lastly, I'm taking black for highlighting my drawing. Be careful when you're adding black, and remember to use black only in the end of the picture. Once all the coloring is done, only then use black. Otherwise, there are chances you will spoil your picture because black will blend with other colors. Also, let me know in comment box, how do you like this tutorial? Please follow us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Our landscape is ready. See you in the next class.